Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Decor Styles. Modern living rooms are all about sleek lines, minimalistic aesthetics, and a fresh, airy feel. Here are some inspiring ideas you can consider for your living room. Embracing full-length windows. Imagine immersing yourself in the vast expanse of nature without leaving the comfort of your living room. Full-length windows allow natural light to flood the space, creating a seamless connection between indoors and outdoors. Luxurious area rugs. Elevate your living room with plush, high quality area rugs. Choose elegant patterns or textures that complement your overall design theme. Seamless open plan design. Modern luxury living rooms often feature an open layout that seamlessly connects the living area with the dining space and kitchen. This creates a sense of spaciousness and flow. Sleek linear fireplaces. Incorporate a sleek linear fireplace as a focal point, whether it's a gas fireplace or an electric one. Its minimalist design adds both warmth and style to the room. Inviting gathering spaces. Arrange comfortable seating areas where family and guests can gather. Consider plush sofas, stylish armchairs, and ottomans for a cozy yet sophisticated ambience. Stylish sectional seating. Sectional sofas provide flexibility and ample seating. Opt for high-quality materials and chic designs that enhance the room's aesthetics. Elegant lighting cluster. Create drama with well-placed lighting fixtures. Cluster pendant lights or chandeliers above the seating area to add a touch of opulence. Harmonious monochromatic decor. Stick to a refined color palette. Shades of gray, beige, or muted tones create a harmonious and luxurious atmosphere. Add pops of color through accessories like through pillow or artwork. Feel free to explore these ideas and adapt them to your unique style. Guys, if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and please do not forget to hit the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.